Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using Cash App for a while, but when I tried changing my cash tag recently, it just wouldn't let me update it. If you are also stuck with the same problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to change your cash tag successfully. First of all, we need to understand that Cash App allows you to change your cash tag up to 2 times. So once you have reached this limit, you won't be able to change it again through the application. However, you can switch back to a previous cash tag you have used before. This policy helps prevent users from frequently changing their cash tag, which can cause confusion. Now, if you are still facing the same kind of problem, I would highly recommend you to contact to the Cash App customer support team for additional changes. For that, you just have to simply open your Cash App application, or you can even come on cash.app. So once you are on this page, you will see this start a chat option, and you can even directly call them on this number. So select any of the options as per your convenience, and you can tell them that you want to change your cash tag, and this cash tag would be your final cash tag. So you can explain the situation, and they can also provide you 3 alternatives for changing your cash tag specifically for your account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.